What is good? You see what we got on the feet? Stock tees. And okay, metallic 5s on today. What's happening, guys? So, nothing crazy today. It's Saul's birthday, so we're gonna go on a little cruise. Maybe to the beach. I don't know. A little B-Day dinner, you know? Shout out to Saul, man. If it wasn't for Saul, I wouldn't be Fresh Kicks. Okay, Steve. VR 30 boys now. Alright then. Shit. Another black car guy. My boy had to switch tuners. Got that Saul tune now. Oh yeah. Little boosty boys. Oh shit. The compa mobile.
Chupapi!
Oh my god. Alright guys. I'm bad with gifts, but can't say no to gas, right? Young $100. Shit, with 85, that's like 3 tanks.
Should be here like 5 minutes.
Put something in there.
Hey, Dave, what the fuck? What?
I don't know what to give you, so I got you gas.
Already put gas. Thank you, though.
You're so ugly.
His teeth still on the gang signs.
I had a haircut just for you.
Looking handsome.
Oh, thank you.
Damn, my G.
Hey, hey, blame it on Jesse, okay? Jesse did that, not me.
Jesse,
Christmas.
I was about to say, no check engine light? What kind of BMW is this? Guys, we here. Good old Huntington Beach. Not be so damn bright. Little lineup, nothing big. That Nardo and the yellow just be hitting, bro. Look at that. Keep the Jeep. Look at these guys. All these guys forgot their mask. Like, y'all forget we were in a pandemic. Look at Emilio. You look like a palm tree, bro. You look just like this. So tall ass. You only like 2 steps away.
oh shit!
Man.
Yeah, Chumami.
It's your birthday.
Chumami.
Yeah. Just a whole shot of Patron right here. Alright guys. That's gonna be that. We're wrapping it up here. Cheesecake was smacking, banging. Damn. What kind of motor?
Poured out. Poured out 49
Pretty sick. Let's look at the little Tommy on that thing. Get out of here.
Yeah, you do it, Marty.
Stop trying to scare me.
This is a nice beach day.
Alright guys, so we got a run with Damon's G35, which is a single turbo. It's like 5-6 pounds, nothing crazy. I think it makes around like 300. Versus Emilio, pretty much stockish, like 335, which probably makes almost around the same power. So it should be a decent like little race for them. man, I need new tires soon. I hit a corner and I started drifting, bro. That's how I know. I ain't supposed to do that. We all will drive, boys.
3 days later.
What is happening, guys? We hopping back into this video. So we are about to be on our way to go check out the S15. This is another set of wastegates for the S15. I was gonna go with that one big 44 mil that I bought, but last minute I came up with like a new design to have 2 dumps, you know, so we can shoot dual cloud flames. I need to go drop those off. He needs to make the new dump tubes. After that, they're gonna send all the hot parts off to get coated. And then once those get back, the car is gonna be complete as far as fabrication. Obviously, still need to take it back to the other shop and do all the wiring, but that's all that's gonna be left. And today is actually Cinco de Mayo. All right, so these are the new wastegates right here. I don't know what we did with the other one, but there, if I can get it out. There it is, with 38 mil. Definitely more room to play with these. So have a really sick design to do the dumps. It's gonna be fuego. I'm not using these throttle bodies. They were just for like fitment. I know they look like shit. This thing looks like it was taken out of the Titanic wreck. I'm gonna get like a nice clean little engine cover, and yeah, that's gonna be that. If we do the gallery gasket anytime soon, I'm gonna get this coated. Obviously, might as well, but I'm not really tripping on that. It's so clean. Look at the lines on this car, man. It's crazy. Look at the line. Oh man, I miss driving on this side. Sheesh. Gonna be back with about 500 wheel. Should be cool. Keep these cheap tires so I can spin everywhere. It's too fast, bro. It just spins. Not really trying to race people in this. I just want to have fun. Hit boost. Stay tuned for this, guys. Real soon here. We're gonna be getting it over to the shop. That's gonna be crazy. Can't wait, man. Alright, so it is yet time for another tank of elote, as you can see. I need that. Oh, gap. Wait for it. For sure it sounds like a turtle fart. Damn, lowrider, dog. The new X6M. I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like the front end is gonna look better than the back. It doesn't look bad. I guess this is BMW series. About to gap me or something. It looks like an M6 that has like a disorder. It's like if an M6 had a tumor. Well, guys, that is pretty much gonna be that. Hopefully the Z is done by like Friday, Saturday. I'm kind of hoping for this weekend. If not, definitely like Monday or Tuesday. And yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be linking up with Ari. We're going to the track. I'm gonna ride with him. We're gonna get you guys some crazy like drift footage over there at the track. Like always, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Drop a thumbs up for your boys, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.